guess it's time to tell you what was going on there. We traveled to the Nizhny Novgorod region to buy a Soviet UAZ Bukhanka that was supposed to be transformed and customized according to the vision of its future American owner before leaving Russia for the USA. The place where this UAZ had been living was as rural as it gets. You saw us driving through open fields, and at one point we even struggled to get up a hill just to reach the tow truck that was supposed to take the UAZ to the garage where all the work would take place. Luckily, we passed all those unexpected quests, and now we could start the transformation process.
The work was carried out in one of the garages inside an old Soviet-era plant, whose entire territory is now rented out by various companies. Today, this massive complex feels almost like a museum of the Soviet epoch. Do you see that sky-blue UAZ van ahead? Hard to believe it's the same UAZ that was gray just a few seconds earlier, right? Not only did it get a completely new color, but the interior was restored to its original factory look. The aftermarket plastic dashboard was removed, the original UAZ steering wheel was sourced, and a bunch of small details were brought back in accordance with the factory specifications. Following the new owner's request, we installed a massive roof rack and stored the rest of the off-road package's metal components inside the van. If we had installed them right away, we would have run into issues obtaining the export plates. Both we and the new American owner were satisfied with the result, and it was time to take the van to the road police department to permanently deregister our Bukhanka from the Russian traffic system. At the end of this video, you'll see the van parked outside its new owner's house in America, still wearing its Russian export license plates. Even now, those are very unusual pictures, even though there is no shortage of Soviet vehicles in the USA these days.